If you go see big man now, they're saying they sleep. You go say, Oga don't to work hard, he need rest. Once na poor man, they're saying they sleep. You say, this one never ready to make him for life. We think poor man do us. Bros, they fresh every day. See how MD now? I'm not in age. Fresh man. They tell them, Chiweta Lago, remove hand for bad thing. They know they hear.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Give it up for the one, the only,
Make some noise. Oh boy, son, I finally come out, guy. Thank God, though. Now me nearly become the laughing stock, oh. Bro, I dey plan show they plan me. Everybody they say, I'm not sure I will be around. I'm not sure I will be around. Everybody we wants a table to. I'm not sure. What's that your date again? I'm not sure I will be around. I'm not sure I will be around. So he can't reach one point. I can't think even myself, you know, they around. Because it's crazy. One of my chairman at the house, he say he no go there around. Now from up in wife tell and say, but darling, you're traveling on the 3rd. Nice old boy, I might just tell you through 24 hours to 8 hour travel, and they like go anywhere. Just making no buy tickets. Yeah? But we're finally here, everybody, come on and sit down. We need to rush go anywhere. Who won't go house, go on Jen. Baba, who won't go house, go on Jen. You know, I said last week, 2 introverts died for Wizkid. Introverts, we need to come outside. Then hit one, kill them. If you see laugh, oh, I hope you know that right now, handkerchief is 500 naira. You cannot afford to wipe your own tears. So if you see laugh, Baba, laugh, oh, we never reach 100 days inside this year. A lot don't happen. A lot. Last year, I'm happy. You go to Burna Boy, they put on for saying, Mama can't they beg. You people should help me beg Burna Boy to release my song. So Burna Boy get Mama. So you get mother. And she they look you for social media, all those things where they do. Any of them, this get 30,000 and now I'm married, So you get Mama. Bro, a lot happened last year. The next thing we'll see now, I am choosing. I like say that choosing thing rain because almost every time now NSPP did the rain. What God cannot do, see them. Go club with girl and I go do things, smoke shisha, do everything, come back house. She go use her mouth to do things, finish. She go say, man, you sleep small. Open eye, the girl need to sleep. Why are you not sleeping now? She go say, it's almost my prayer time. With this same mouth. And then for morning, they will come write for WhatsApp. The Lord has finally settled me and my family. What God cannot do. After 20 minutes, that same girl will write that thing. God they tell you, can I get 20,000 from you? You will God just settle you and your family. I won't get and give you. Oh boy, no. A lot happen. No. They do it, they ask people questions, they answer one, they resign. Can they say on a serious note, that is, you and who they do class lesson, who they follow you write notes. I'm not the one. We know you're not the one. You're Nedu. We have very dark man, we have the one. The next thing I say, Chika Ike do it. If they use Igbo girls play, come be girl, we get Ike for her name. You know what Ike? Power. If you not done it, you know she go there. You know, I know be Nollywood actor. You know, say no every time you go be lead role. You go be supporting leads. Na chika be. You know, say for Regina their house now, if they want to do morning devotion, anybody will just start that song. Ike they go say stop that rubbish song. No Ike in this house. Ike di lebelile na Ike chika karere. Bro, it's not like that. Bro, no. This year alone, suffer day. Light tariff. Before you dey plug your phone, light don't finish. Everybody they off fridge. You go enter man house for Lekina everywhere dark but breeze they blow you. Rechargeable fan. They talk and they hear, Baba. All this AC they need the honor. Now why all these big men get green grass outside their house? If you no carry important thing, come bro, move that outside. Crazy man. That one, we never talk that one. Data on the course. Bro, I know how much be data now. No, big men no go really. I understand how much be data. The way data cost now, girl go do better, go say send me your picture. You go forward 32 pictures from the photographer. Make her use and print your obituary. Girl go still get mine. They say, can you sub for me? Wetin dey sub? Mama, okay now. Do me data. Before I go do any get data now, I go make sure say na me the data. Bro, it's crazy, yo. See this life we dey. Like rich money. I want to pick this thing. This life we dey. Enjoy life. We'll try not to die, yo. You know, this is when Mohbad die. All of us will try our best. We don't move on. Even the guy where they complain say he treat him badly. You know, do him where he sign him, intimidate him. The guy just leave us sometime. Now he come outside. Now he don't do another song. He dey mock all of us. I'm back. Man, no dance now. Who don't die. Girls don't use mobile song. They advertise waist trainer. Ask about me. Waiting be this one like this. Bro, that is crazy. Now the only thing we will bring end, where you will not say hope, no day again. And one thing where they baffle me, why this a person die? Everybody will die and accord to glory. He lived a good life. All those bad people they die. Tell us what thing kill them so that we will learn. Now wickedness, write down for obituary. Write down for the poster, you won't die late. No others there now. That's mad though. I follow one of my guy in girlfriend brother died. Now follow and go to burial. After burial, the girl don't cry. So we lodge somewhere close to their house. The girl don't cry, tired. So after the burial, she come back to the hotel, you know, we just gist, console her. She and her boyfriend enter room, me I enter room. She supposed to go sleep. Girl where they mourn. After 5 minutes, they begin mourn. Who don't die, Baba. Try not to die, you, Baba. You know, say this life, who get 2 liters for fuel and then they start with foreplay. Jeng, fuel will soon finish, you. All this they say, well, check your wife, do DNA. You know, say when you go do DNA, the results come out. They can't say true. Now you get the bikini. You can't the first say you don't spend money. Say, but this bikini resemble me. Why I go spend this kind of money now? Light tariff, mad. We go Ibadan the other day. They can't knock for us. They move off AC. Say they want on small gen. So I want on small gen for hotel. Na bros around you be that. Wait, bros. Okay. Wait, now he really did here. All this way they talk. Wow. Bros R&D. Forever living products. That the man young now. You know, say get away with me and bros go stand now. Say if girls go full and leave me. See them. They play. And I don't go fit athlete role now. Waka pass. Bros, they fresh every day. See RMD now. I'm not knowing age. Fresh man. They tell them she went to go remove hand for batting. They know they hear. you do normal thing, your mind go day everywhere go, you know. Lagos just hard anyhow. Traffic everywhere. You go wake up, order for breakfast, you go arrive as lunch. Everything just stop, bro. No. This show, it's just like a fella talk. This show, you show me. No, you show me. Who bring that? Who talk that is say knowledge is power? Yesterday here, conductor they beat professor we get knowledge. Conductor one kill. Conductor one killer. So far full every year. Even girls they follow filler now, bro. Go give girl money for Uber. She go enter halfway, trek halfway. I go outside, they go carry Stella. Her leg they dusty. You go play ball. Me no one lost so. They suffer the zero. My family members there, they can't. I mean, man, so far full everywhere. Girls now, all those girls where they say team natural, I go ask what cream do you rub? You go say I don't rub anything. No. Now, I know the thing God do for now. To buy girls cream now, you guys be criminal. Bro, it's crazy. I'm always hot, my bro. Check my records, bro. You understand me now? Moscow boys. I don't spoil Moscow. Come back to Nigeria. Wanna go in a cool place. That's my guy, DJ Constant, ladies and gentlemen. Big boy. Baba girls too, they follow suffer this thing though. Girl go chop corn and pear, post them, come they say craving satisfied. You get another food. Show us spaghetti when you don't feel like a job. They craving satisfied. Everybody they go through a lot, Baba. Boy go suffer, collect a number, you no go remember to call her again, bro. Everybody they move on. But girls say, well, correct girls, ladies Nigeria, Shaba, then few. Nigeria, we get we no get work, we say I'm craving vacation. Now vacation you day, you no get work. Where you won't go? No get work, you dey crave vacation. And boys go they dodge, they say, why they find better girl, get away them train well. Now so my guy dodge, go date get away. Now so now. Even though we for comedy, who be that our Nigerian keeper? I dey catch, Baba. The guy dodge, say they find better girl. Now so he go begin date Assemblies of God choir. The girl still Bilan last week, say she won't buy Bible. You cannot run away from it. You know fit escape billing, bruh. Who be that? Bonus, calm down, bro. Why you not even supposed to date this area? You're supposed to just go outside. They find anybody carry they want thief. Bro. My advice I fit you. Bro, no. See, I don't even know whether next year we'll go to. Anyway, we'll just do this sharp. But all these girls, it go there easy if comedians they laugh, they know. Even Bros Julius know what in I see for your last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me. You see the way they do for this matter. Nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, he good. I tell for GRO, he said go buy my table. Where then? Baba, I touch everybody, baby. So my advice to the girls, yeah, when I know they stress boys too much. As you dey here, you find girl, me and you know say you get more than 6 girlfriends for this Lagos. If you get problem, you won't buy iPhone 6. Add all your boyfriend them for one WhatsApp group. Introduce them to each other. After all, they don't catch you, now you open up. Mike, meet Emeka, meet Chinelo, meet I'm your girlfriend. When they remember how you treat them, they don't go break. Then go contribute money, buy you iPhone 6. No, they stress one person. Bandwagon everywhere. Get go want to birthday, you go say you want to do charity. Come carry list of charity, give your boyfriend. Charity now your money you go use. Your boyfriend doesn't feel like to do charity. Now everybody want to do birthday for motherless babies home. Everybody mother. Do you know that currently now as I speak to you, motherless babies home get food, pass me and you get mother. Now here I will come clap. I want drink of my sponsor. Meridian Club Cream. Good for you. If you're ready to give follow my money for this period, Baba, I go use and drink tea. I go use bread. By the way, you guys, you have it on your table, right? How do you feel the taste? Good, right? I mean, that's it. Now my Oga personally, so if you want drop proposal, come through me. Come on, I'm not going to disturb her. Guy, no. And boys go to form woke. All these girls, they want to chop our money. We need to do again. Valentine just pass, all the boys, they gather money to spend for girls who don't spend Valentine. One guy can't get come out and interview the guy, can you help us for Valentine? He say, no, I don't believe in Valentine. No. I like Val, V-A-L. Mama do the Val when she like. But I go last week. Now I say, you don't take away we enjoy all this, our old life. Now I say, make I enter bus. But you know, say, conductors for Potako, then they create so, and they know they stress them. Once you know where your change, as you reach your bus stop, one come down, then go just pair you with another person. So now you come down, they go say, you give her 500, you give her 200. Now so last week for Potako, they pair one pastor with Ronsgare, we get big nyash. So your pastor carry Bible, they follow Ronsgare for back. I want to explain to people saying I changed. I want to explain saying I changed the divine. I know say if you want catch what your friend they do, if you really want to know what your friend they do, just borrow your phone. Do like say you want search for something for browser. Check the last things when chat when search about. You go know in plan. Like if I collect this my guy phone now, check. I'm gonna check like cheap flights to Russia. You know saying they plan to go back. Collect this bro's phone now, check. Good venues in Lagos. You'll be like saying one do wedding. Collect this guy phone now, check. You'll see symptoms of ampiclos. You know saying don't carry. Bro, no. It's crazy. One thing I like, all these girls with the woke. You know, say every Saturday for this Lagos, they marry one understanding girlfriend. And I can't settle for less, and then they do a Shebi. Can't settle for less. When I go cry, go bust me for my face. No, bro. No. And one thing I like about big men is this is my guy. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, help me appreciate this man, Ike Leeds. Abemona, help me appreciate him. Get why? Then plenty, I go to do one. Jacob Dynasty, all this one, they really like healing. They just do. And try for me, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, nearly faint. I know say one thing with big men, if they annoy you, you know if you delete their number. Because they believe say they go still help you later. Bro, no, to be big man good on a swag. If they don't want to do that thing, no matter any hello sir when you type, they know they answer you. Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good night, sir. Now once you enter their mind, they do. If you go see big man now, they're saying they sleep. You go say, Oga don't to work hard, he need rest. Once na poor man, they're saying they sleep. You say, this one never ready to make him for life. We think poor man do us. You call big man phone like this 2 times, he ring, he no pick. Say, no, Oga no they like me, then they call him 3 times. So, I call him this 2, leave him, go call you back when he need you. Call poor man, man no pick. He can come back and explain. Brother, I've been they charge my phone. You're not serious in this life. You know you get any reason to miss call. No, poverty in a bastard. Poverty is a sin, my sister. You don't say at this bros table nowadays, for example, maybe now bros car they won't carry come. Maybe bros come, no, this man then get money now. Bros come carry 2 poor boys when they help. You know, so as bros there, you go to enjoy the show. You go to look only the show. The boys go to watch the show, they watch the bros. Because anything will make you come on, they don't strand. If you want to go peace, they go follow. Big man life too sweet, baba. Ah, no. Poverty na bad thing. Poor people need even feel enjoy hotel. No sir, this big man dey now. Oga Ikeli fit just lodge. Or then Jacob Dynasty just lodge. Just feel like to take drink, then go your call. 2 more waits, please. You just wake up, you say, you just look mirror, need to shave. You go the hotel, go shave 15,000 just to shave. Poor boy. As he wake up, even if he carry baby, one day get say I'm thirsty, he dey trek go outside, go buy water. See buy water, come back. Before they give the girl, say, I'm feeling hungry. He go meet security. I bet we have to get a restaurant around here. And you lodge. He go walk out, go restaurant, he go buy food, he go come back. Before they go to the message, check out time, not reach. As he come out, they go say, Baba, you need to renew this. I don't know, bro. Poverty na create na no. He say what? It's a big sin, my sister. Don't test them. Now why your voice loud? That's you. By the way, that's my very good friend. The closest female friend who I guess. I be that. Everybody will suspect me and that, but man, she's a very good girl. Work hard for her money. Kelly White. Correct girl. I see you. She dey sell jewelries, everything. They go soon play her this year. You calm down. Now only jewelry you say for that shop. Let's get out. All right. Oh boy. I want to give advice to what's going on there now. You go just know person the person we never stay table before. So I do they misbehave. Hello, Side Bunch, sit down. You calm down. If you dey here and for some reason you need to collect your friend's wife number, maybe because of the work which they do, I give you this advice. No ever collect your friend wife. Obaro, come on now, not distract me. If you collect your friend wife number, no ever save her with that your friend name first. For example, Michael won't collect Jacob wife number because of her business. No go write down Jacob wife. Any day when you see Jacob babe, you know say WhatsApp, you go type Jacob, yeah, you don't begin type, but I just see that your babe now. You no go say my wife in the tat. You're going to say, which one? Say that black one now for Ajay. Say, go right, I get 2 babe for Ajay. Which one you see? The guy, they bury him on Thursday. You think kill him? Baba, then go chat him wife. Avoid another thing where you go do. If you want marry, or you get spouse, where you go to do wedding. You see for everybody phone, you get one app where they call My Eyes Only. You go hide picture, you hide video. I avoid that. Spoil my guy marriage. They very back. Say, baby, I want to see you on My Eyes Only. The guy drag. The girl collect the phone. Come they search. By the way, when then they date, the girl say they no go knock until they marry. So the girl don't know the size of a... The girl can't see one video for the phone. Man and woman. For the guy room and the guy be shit. But in face no show. The girl begin cry. So you've been cheating on me. She call her sisters, then gather. We hold you on high esteem. Why would you do this to our sister? The guy they explain, no be me and my guy. Then say no. Because the girl no decide. Family full parlor, then they out of frustration and the guy pulling trouser, now whole phone say, oh yeah, look this prick now. No, look. Look this prick. Ah! Bro, I don't check. I don't know the secret of success. These big men, na very little thing. Then they collaborate. CK lead now. They do drink, they do seasoning, they do real estate, one hand, they do many business. They put hand for other businesses. See Jacob Dynasty, they say one of the most expensive suits. If you know say you go break up later, no go buy in suit cost. Quality suits. You get club. You go be friend now with another person where they sell drink. We go to supply for a club. See Mike Okoloba, he get hotel. Then go collaborate. My papa time. My father they repair fridge. All in friends they repair fridge. How I want take grow? How? Now there poison starts now because you repair big fridge passing friend. Friend go come and say ukwaba shoe ukwaba. I want to poison this guy now. Bro, musicians and other people where they just to do rhyme. See that song where Mark need to sing, say, give me car, give me keys, get belly, give me kids, Rolls Royce, give me kids. Now I sing, now I say, give me head, give me teeth. If they give you head, give you teeth, go, if you continue that song. Now they do rhymes, they do. Last, how many weeks ago, it was Osime's birthday. Then Nigeria will go club. DJ they play song. You know how you could just take club? Out of reflex, you could just sing the song where DJ they play. You take club, you home away till they dance. The next thing now, yeah, I don't want to be a player no more. Now my wife tell us, you don't want to be player, how will take the fit family? You shouldn't be saying, no one be player. If you don't be player, you go keep out. I want to take fit them, Papa. Not be here with you, allow me to kill everybody, Papa, for song. You and your papa they alive, you go take club, you no go know when you sing. Since I lost my father and I him, you don't, and your papa they alive. Tell me, no, another girl, and I notice say after they go say girls, everybody they find husband. You know they say almost all tennis song. Now man, she they try a pito. I slap police for your case. I go to war for your case. I clap the judge for your case. For your case, you lelele. The boy no answer. She entered the next song. I go be your superwoman. Money day, money no day. Bama. The boy lock up. She entered another song. If to say I get the superpower, oh, I for come meet you where you day. I invite you.
They say,
hold on.
Money don't buy you happiness.
Joke never finished now, bro. Don't spoil this joke now. Shit. She sing, now she give up. And I don't even know the song which she take give up. That's why we sing. Now lover, no keep person. Now lover, no keep somebody. Mama don't move on. They sing, I want to be a billionaire. They sing all this. Move on. So at this junction, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you all for coming out. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you to Jacob Dynasty. Thank you to Okoroba. Thank you to Ike Leeds. Thank you to Chuku. That's my landlord, Don Kiki. Papa reduce my transport, reduce my house rent. It took cost. Lala Richie Money, Sparrow, thank you so much. The general is here. That's my boss right there. Boss, I greet you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. DGN, my great supporter. That's the general right there. I greet you. Thank you. Julius, the genius, Ago, always supporting the boys. Thank you so much. Maoga AY, God bless you. See, boss, Nevada Bridge in the building. Thank you, boss. You follow them, you say you go travel. Now, one of the people say I'm traveling. FMV, thank you for coming. Akai Nigeria, God bless you, Magma. Where my sponsors, they are looking here. Very affluent, you know, guess now.
This mini estate consists of 9 units of 5-bedroom semi-detached duplexes, features to elevate your living experience and give you a feel of luxury. This house comes fully automated, semi-furnished with premium finishing, a fully fitted kitchen and a private office, an outdoor pool for relaxation, an ample parking space, solar system that gives you uninterrupted power supply. Step inside this master bedroom where elegance meets comfort and functionality. Let's not forget this exquisite bathroom with a spa-like atmosphere, a spacious shower and a soaking tub, perfect for those long relaxing baths after a stressful day.
M.O.P Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.